Maxim's first India cover girl, and our relationship has been amazing since then. The next three, as you saw, were the Hot Hundreds. It feels great to be the only woman in the world to have ever topped Maxim Hot 100 thrice. And I do think that when we come together, we create something which is classy and sexy at the same time, and which is what embodiment of the modern Indian woman today, you know, someone whose sex appeal is not obvious, it's understated, it's subtle, and is fearless. I think the modern Indian woman definitely is fearless. I want to have a footprint across the world which shows the world that what we stand for as talent, what we stand for as the Indian film industry. I don't want to be known as a spoof of Hollywood. I don't think that's what we are. So my plowing the ground right now is trying to break the stereotype of what people think Indian talent is, which hence my decisions of doing the movie that I've done and the TV show that I've done. So I think iconic is something that is not a Me Too. And I'm definitely not a Me Too. I have never wanted to grow up and be like someone else. Thank you. I always wanted to grow up and be Priyanka Chopra. So I truly am a believer of the fact कि अगर हाथ बढ़ा के कोई खड़ा हो जाए और बोले लाओ जी मुझे सक्सेस दे दो, वो थोड़ी ना मिलेगी. You have to work really hard. There's no free lunch in the world. And I'm willing to sacrifice my sleep. I'm willing to sacrifice food. I'm willing to sacrifice quality of life, if that's what you want to call it. And to be able to achieve, to be an achiever. Because to be an achiever, you have to let go of some things. I make it a point that I fly my family wherever I am, I fly my friends wherever I am, I fly my cook wherever I am, because I need my Hindi, I need my dal chawal at night, it's very important.
Wow.
So मेरी cook तो मेरी सबसे important बनती है जो मेरे साथ जाती है. But besides that, I think, you know, when you want global domination, you have to pay for price for it. Yes, my television show, I'll take credit for it because it's done tremendously well. It's very, very successful. We've gone to about 210 territories around the world, dubbed in about 56 languages already. Like, I was just in France to launch it. We've gone to Spain, we've gone to UK, we've gone to Chile, Peru, Japan, so many amazing countries. And I hear myself speaking all those languages because I'm dubbed in them. And the show is tremendously doing well. So yes, that I will definitely take credit for. But my film career in America hasn't even started yet. I mean, so there's no point of me harping on about the fact just because I've signed a movie. That doesn't make someone a star. I'm sorry. So I'm going to wait till my film comes out and then you all decide how that does. But yes, I have had an amazing acceptance in America. People have been incredibly welcoming to me, whether it's been the film industry, whether it's been the press, the media, the audience. Every airport I go to, that's the only place I get to go outside set is an airport. So mera exposure to the world is just airports. Every airport I go to, I get so many people calling me Alex and loving the show and speaking to me no matter which country I go to. So it's been an incredible experience, but I would say it's just the beginning. Everything that has happened to me, whether it was Maxim Hot 100 thrice or the Time magazine, the Time cover, or you know, my show doing what it has done, all of it is just about, I truly believe this, 1 or maybe 2% of what respect Indian actors deserve in the world, I think. We've always been boxed into a certain box कि हम यही कर सकते हैं, but we are worth so much more. So I want to be able to open up gateways by plowing the world for Indian talent to get opportunities coming there, and I hope they are even more successful than me. But it's going to take time. So I'm not someone who's ever planned my career, really. I'm very instinctive. I consider myself an artist, not an actor. So whenever opportunities come my way, मैं कर लेती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे अच्छा लगता है या नहीं, और या मैं नहीं करती हूँ. So I don't know what is next. I know it'll be something within creativity, but I mean, if you think I surprise you, I surprise me also. I don't know what I'll do. Well, I'll say thank you very much, Kareena, for acknowledging my work. She's actually been very, very encouraging of me and the teddy things that I do sometimes. And I really admire for her for being that way with me. And I mean, I wish her the best in life. And I'm really, really grateful that, you know, words like that coming from your colleagues it really gives you the strength to be able to do even better work. So thank you. I did Aitraz and I did Saath Khoon Maaf, and I really enjoy playing villain characters. And Baywatch was, that's the reason why it is so much fun, is because it's a comedy. So so basically it is Victoria against all 6 of the lifeguards. So the lifeguards have to try and, I can't tell you the premise of the story, but the lifeguards have to protect themselves and the beach against Victoria, who wants to destroy them. So the entire film is about how that happens, and of course the relationships between the two. So it's a comedy movie, it's not a drama, and obviously with Zach and Dwayne it'll be hilarious. It's a very, very funny movie. It's going to be a major, I think so, it'll be a major summer blockbuster next year. You all must keep May 19th marked, because first of all, we've all loved Baywatch growing up, especially in India. And second of all, I'm very mean in the film. I'm very mean in the film. And I don't think Dwayne has ever had somebody be so patronizing and mean to him. I mean, that's what he told me. So he does, usko samajh mein nahi aata, because he can't punch me, he can't crush me. He doesn't know what to do when I'm mean to him. So it's to, in fact, the whole lifeguard squad. It was a great experience, so much fun, especially because I could, Seth Gordon, who's the director, he had made Horrible Bosses. So he has a great sense of comedy as well. So we did a lot of improv, we did a lot of, you know, figuring out things to say, jokes on set. It was a very collaborative film. We finished shooting the entire film in just about 60-65 days. Yeah, so it was great fun, and I'm really, really looking forward to how people will react to Victoria, especially because my debut for the rest of the world besides Hindi films is going to be a negative character. And I'm taking on Dwayne and Zach, who are like the people's champions. So I don't know, America might not like me very much. क्योंकि मैं किसी और की ज़िंदगी पे ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देती, तो मुझे पता नहीं है. My career has been very solitary. किसी और के सक्सेस और फेलियर से मेरे करियर का कुछ लेना देना कभी नहीं था. एंड वो वैसा भी अभी भी जारी होगा. जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, आई होप कि जिस तरह का काम मैंने किया है एंड जिस तरह का झंडा मैं गाड़ने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ इंडियन एक्टर्स और इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करते हुए, आई होप कि बहुत सारा इंडियन टैलेंट, ना सिर्फ इंडियन, साउथ एशियन टैलेंट या ग्लोबल टैलेंट जिनको एंट्री नहीं मिलती है ग्लोबल एंटरटेनमेंट में, उनको वो दर्जा मिले. आई होप सो. एंड वो चाहे कोई भी हो, आई वुड ऑलवेज विश देम वेल, एंड आई होप कि मेरी तरह नहीं, उनको मुझसे ज़्यादा भी सक्सेस मिले. आई लव हिंदी फिल्म्स. आई एम अ इंडियन एक्टर बिफोर आई एम एनीथिंग एल्स. आई से दैट नो मैटर वेयर इन द वर्ल्ड आई गो. जो भी मैंने सीखा है, जो भी मैं हूँ आज हिंदी फिल्मों की वजह से हूँ, और वो मेरा ट्रेनिंग ग्राउंड रहा है. सो जब तक ऑडियंस मुझे देखना पसंद करेगी, मैं फिल्में करती रहूँगी. नहीं देखना पसंद करेगी, खुद पता चल जाएगा.